Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, today we will revise our new lesson that will be chapter 6 India Political Division. Yes student, in this lesson first of all we will discuss about exercises, and first exercise, circle the correct answer. In this question you have to circle. Two options are given here in each question, and you have to circle the right one. In which part of Asia in India is India located? In which part of Asia in which part of Asia is India located? Is India located? The answer will be, tell me the right answer. इन विच पार्ट ऑफ एशिया मतलब एशिया के किस किस पार्ट में इंडिया लोकेटेड है. बेटा हेयर टू ऑप्शंस आर गिवन, नॉर्दर्न एंड सदर्न. नॉर्दर्न एंड सदर्न. सो व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर? जस्ट ट्राई टू गिव द आंसर. यस स्टूडेंट, द राइट आंसर विल बी सदर्न. सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ एशिया इज इंडिया लोकेटेड. साउथ जिसको बोलते हैं बेटा हम लोग साउथ एशिया. हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स आर देयर इन इंडिया? टेल द राइट करेक्ट आंसर. हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स आर देयर इन इंडिया? स्टूडेंट, इन इंडिया देयर आर 20. हाउ 28 states are there in India. Okay, because now Jammu and Kashmir is our union territory. So two new union territories are formed, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. Now we have 28 states. What is Puducherry? What is Puducherry? A state or union territory? बेटा जो पुडुचेरी है वो क्या है? दोनों में से स्टेट है कि यूनियन टेरिटरी है? पुडुचेरी इज अ यूनियन टेरिटरी. सो राइट आंसर विल बी यूनियन टेरिटरी. नेक्स्ट इज, हाउ मेनी यूनियन टेरिटरीज आर देयर इन इंडिया? Dear student, before forming the union territory of Jammu Kashmir, there are 7 union territories, but now 2 new union territories are made, that are Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. So now we have how many union territory? We have 9 union territories at this time. At this time we have 9 union territory. Next is, what is the capital of Punjab? All you know, I think all you have learned it. So what is the capital of Punjab? Right answer will be Chandigarh. Beta, Chandigarh is a common capital of 2 states, Haryana and Punjab. Both capital is Chandigarh. So it's all about the circle the correct answer exercise A. Now we will see, match the following. Exercise B. Here 2 columns are given and you have to match the column 1 with column B. First of all, first one is given Goa. Goa, the capital of Goa is Panaji. The capital of Goa is Panaji. Next is Manipur. The capital of Manipur, what will be the correct answer? The capital of Manipur will be Imphal. So right answer will be D. Tripura. The Tripura is a state and the capital of Tripura is Agartala. So right answer will be B. Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island. The capital is Port Blair. The answer will be Port Blair. C. Next is Jharkhand. Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Dear student, जो ये कैपिटल है झारखंड, ये बिहार से अलग होकर के ईयर 2000 में बनी। 2000 में 3 न्यू स्टेट बने। यूपी से अलग होकर के उत्तराखंड बना और मध्य प्रदेश से अलग होकर छत्तीसगढ़ राज्य बना और जो तीसरा है वो है झारखंड, जो कि बिहार से अलग होकर के बना है और ये तीनों ही ईयर 2000 में बने हैं। सो कीप इन माइंड द कैपिटल ऑफ झारखंड इज रांची। सो नेक्स्ट इज fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The central government is also known as. Yes student, in this question you have to write the correct word in the fill in the blanks. The central government is also known as the central government is also known as the union government. The union government. It is also known as union government. Next is the union territories are the union territories are looked after by the union territories are looked after by the मतलब जो यूनियन टेरिटरी है बेटा उसको कौन देखता है या उसकी देखभाल कौन करता है। सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। Central government. The right answer will be central government. Sorry. Next is the capital of Karnataka is. What will be the capital of Karnataka? Right answer will be Bangalore. Beta, learn all the states and their capital properly. The dash government frames the rules and laws that govern the country. Which government form? Central government. Central government forms the rules and the laws that govern the country. कंट्री को गवर्न करने के लिए रूल्स और रेगुलेशन कौन बनाता है? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। नेक्स्ट इज डैश इज नोन एज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया। द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया इज न्यू दिल्ली। New Delhi will be correct answer. So you can see here all the answers, and now in the last word bank, states and union territories. The word bank, states and union territories, administrative division of India. बेटा जब हम ये लेसन पढ़ा रहे थे उस समय हमने आपको बताया था स्टेट्स और यूनियन टेरिटरी क्यों बनाए जाते हैं, ताकि आसानी से प्रशासन का काम, प्रशासनिक वर्क, so that all the administrative work may perform by making a small part of the country. So there is need of political division. It is called political division. So my dear student, it's all about our today's class, and now we will see the next lesson, or you can say the question answer in our next video. So Be careful about your health and hygiene. Take care. Thank you. Have a nice day.